Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maktab-e-Hind. Let's learn with fun. Anjuman-e-Islam's VM and DM PM Urdu Primary School, 25 Bun Garden Road, Pune 1. Present subject English. Created by Nazia Sheikh. Children, today we will learn My English Book 4, Standard 4, Unit number 5. The Golden Fish. Listen carefully and read with me. غور سے سنیے اور میرے ساتھ ساتھ دہرائیے. Malhar was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea. He went down to the sea every day to catch fish. One day, a strange thing happened. He caught a big golden fish in his net. When Malhar took the fish out of water, the fish began to speak. "Oh fisherman, please let me go." Malhar was very surprised. He was a kind man. He let the fish go. Malhar went home empty-handed. He told his wife about the fish. His wife was not very kind. "Foolish man, why did you let the fish go? Go back to the sea and call the fish. It must be a magic fish. Ask the fish to grant you a wish." So, Malhar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me a wish." The fish popped up its head out of the blue sea and said, "What is your wish?" "I want a big house with a garden for my wife." "Go back home. Your wish is granted." Malhar went back home. In place of his little hut, he saw a big house with a garden. "What a beautiful house," he said. "Look at this house. It is his new house in place of hut." Some day passed. Malhar's wife said to him, "This house is not enough. I want to live in a castle. I want to be a queen." So, Malhar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me a wish." There were big waves in the sea. The fish came and asked, "What is your wish?" "My wife wants to be a queen." "Go back home. Your wish is granted." Malhar went back home. In place of the big house, he saw a castle. Look at this castle. In place of his house, he found a big castle. The castle had many buildings and towers. There were many gardens around the castle. "What a beautiful castle," said Malhar. In the castle, his wife sat on a throne of gold and diamond. She wore a crown. Look at this crown. "Are you happy now?" asked Malhar. "We shall see," said his wife. Some day passed. Malhar's wife called him. "This is not enough for me. Now I want to be a goddess." "What are you asking for, wife?" "It is not right," said Malhar. But his wife became angry. "Go to the fish at once," she ordered. Malhar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me one more wish. When the fish came, there was a storm in the sea. The fish looked very cross. What is it now? My wife wants to be a goddess, said Malhar in a small voice. Go back home, the fish said. His wife was like thunder. And don't come again. Malhar went back home. In place of the big castle, he saw his little hut. His wife had to live in the little hut once again. इस कहानी को पढ़ने पर हमें ये पता चलता है कि मल्हार नाम का एक मछेरा जो अपनी बीवी के साथ समंदर के किनारे एक छोटी सी झोपड़ी में रहता था, वो रोजाना समंदर पर मछलियां पकड़ने जाता। एक दिन उसके साथ एक अजीब वाकया हुआ कि एक सुनहरी मछली उसके मछली पकड़ने के जाले में फंस गई, और जब उसने उस जाले को पानी से बाहर निकालना चाहा तो वो बोलने लगी, मल्हार से इल्तिजा करने लगी कि मुझे छोड़ दो। जब वो घर आकर ये वाकया अपने बीवी को सुनाता है तो उसकी बीवी उससे कहती है कि तुमने बहुत बड़ी गलती की है, तुम बेहद बेवकूफ हो, तुमने उस मछली को क्यों जाने दिया? अब तुम दोबारा जाओ और समंदर पर जाकर उस मछली को पुकारो, वो जरूर कोई जादुई मछली होगी। मल्हार दोबारा समंदर पर जाकर उसे पुकारता है। वो पानी से बाहर निकलकर मल्हार से कहती है कि तुम्हारी क्या ख्वाहिश है, मुझे बताओ। वो उस मछली से कहता है कि मुझे अपनी बीवी के लिए एक बड़ा घर चाहिए जिसमें एक बागीचा हो। घर लौटते ही उसकी ये ख्वाहिश पूरी हो जाती है। झोपड़ी की जगह उसे एक आलीशान घर और बागीचा नजर आता है। कुछ दिन गुजरने के बाद उसकी लालची बीवी कहती है, ये घर हमारे लिए काफी नहीं है, मुझे महल चाहिए और मुझे रानी बनना है। मल्हार दोबारा समंदर में जाकर उस मछली को पुकारता है और अपनी ख्वाहिश बताता है। घर आने पर उसकी ये ख्वाहिश पूरी हो जाती है। कुछ दिनों के बाद उसकी बीवी उसे कहती है कि अब मुझे रानी की बजाय देवी बनना है। तुम जाओ और अपनी उस मछली से कहना कि मेरी इस ख्वाहिश को पूरा कर दे। जब वो मछली से जाकर धीमी आवाज में अपनी बीवी की ख्वाहिश को पूरी करने के लिए इल्तिजा करता है तो वो बेहद नाराज होकर गुस्से से कहती है कि तुम घर जाओ और यहाँ दोबारा बिल्कुल मत आना। जब वो घर जाता है तो देखता है कि महल की जगह उसे एक झोपड़ी नजर आती है। उसकी बीवी की लालच की वजह से उसकी तमाम चीजें उससे खो जाती है। मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, ग्रीड डिस्ट्रॉयज एवरीथिंग। यानी लालच बहुत बुरी बला है। लालच करने से हमारी तमाम चीजें जाए हो जाती है, इसलिए कभी भी लालच नहीं करना चाहिए। नेवर टू बी ग्रीडी। I hope you enjoyed the video. So like the video, subscribe to my channel Maktab-e Hind.